Cabinet on Thursday discussed concerns over the special intensive revision of electoral rules and the need to protect citizens' voting rights. Karnataka Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H. Patil said the Cabinet questioned the lack of transparency in the SIR process and discussed possible legal options including approaching the Supreme Court. The Cabinet also discussed whether the final electoral roll should be submitted to the Supreme Court for judicial scrutiny before it is officially published. However, no final decision has been taken yet. Patil said the discussions are still incomplete and further consultations will be held with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and party leaders over the next 3 to 4 days before a final decision is made. The Election Commission has announced that the SIR process in Karnataka will begin on June 20th. The last such revision was conducted in the year 2002 when the state had 3.55 crore voters. Karnataka now has 5.55 crore voters and the final electoral roll is scheduled to be published on October 7. During the meeting, the Cabinet also expressed concern over the reports from other states. Patil referred to allegations that nearly 27 lakh voters in West Bengal lost their voting rights during similar exercises. Objections raised in Tamil Nadu and other states were also discussed. According to Patil, the Karnataka government's main priority is to ensure that no eligible citizen is denied the right to vote due to procedural issues during the revision process. The Cabinet also discussed the legal difficulties involved in directly approaching the Election Commission, citing the statutory protections and immunity available to the poll body. The government is now examining whether the issue can be taken to the Supreme Court and whether the final voter list can be reviewed by the Apex Court before it is officially finalized. Patil said discussions were held on round 12 to 15 issues related to the SIR process, but the matter is still under consideration. A final decision is expected within the next 3 to 4 days. So viewers, do you think the special intensive revision process should have more transparency to ensure that every eligible voter's rights are protected? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.